Okay.
Okay, guys, ready?
Ready.
I'm so happy.
Woo!
Mama,
Okay, it goes off-road.
I know dirt.
No dirt, Maya.
No coming out.
No dusty dirt.
Hi, Maya.
What, Maya? What?
Swing,
Huh?
swing.
Oh, swing. You want to ride on the swing?
Yeah.
Do you know how to push yourself
Yeah.
on the swing?
Yes, push me a little bit.
Okay. And then you will do the rest? Okay. Chase it, Maya.
Go!
Chase it if you can. Hurry, mommy. She caught it.
Daddy, I both.
Eyeballs? Where? Where are the eyeballs? Oh, happy face. Nice.
Whoa.
Yeah. We get scared.
Okay, chase Maya, mommy.
Yeah.
She caught it again. Maya, let go, Maya. A Jeep Wrangler Rubicon RC. A 1/16th scale Jeep Wrangler RC.
Maya.
What?
Maya wants to drive, mommy.
Hey.
Okay, she's doing it. Maya is driving the Jeep. Yeah. Round and round.
Swing.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It cannot go through the grass. Uh-oh. It cannot go through the grass. Maya girl. Are you flying?
Shadow.
Shadow, where is your shadow? Maya's shadow. Okay, mommy.
Ali!
Do not hit Maya. Okay, bring it back, mommy.
Get it.
Go get it. Thank you. Game. All right. Ah. You can do it. You can do it, mommy. Uh-oh. Okay. Oopsie. Ah. Nice, Maya. Are you having fun?
Ali.
Maya, are you flying?
Yeah. Ali.
Are you Maya the bee?
Yeah.
Hello, Mommy Rhea. Good afternoon. You look so pretty today. All right. And what is that? Wow, a Jeep Wrangler. Oh, it's a Rubicon. A Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Yeah, off-road RC. But the question is, can it really run off-road? Can it really go off-road? That's the big question. We will find out, Mommy, right?
Right.
We will go to the park. So yeah, Mommy, we will go to the park.
Alright.
We will bring the RC.
Okay.
And then we are going to put it on dirt and on the sand. And then we will find out if this Jeep can really go off-road.
Okay.
Do you agree?
Yes, of course.
Alright. But first, I want to see the box up close.
Alright.
Okay. Maestotech RC Off-Road Series. A Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It's a 1/16 scale, Mommy. 1/16 scale.
Nice.
Okay. The back of the box. Okay. It's a full function RC. It can go forward, left, right, and reverse.
Okay.
The back of the the bottom part, Mommy. Okay. Jeep. And the side, Mommy. Okay. The other side. And the front.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. There's the controller. Wow, look at those spikes on the tires.
Yeah.
Okay, Mommy, unboxing time.
Okay, okay.
Okay, here we go. Unboxing the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Oh yeah. Instructions.
Okay.
Ooh, rubber tires, Mommy. Yep. The tires are rubber. Nice. Rubicon. Okay, putting the antenna. Putting the straw antenna. All right. And the controller, can I see it, mommy, up close? Ooh, steering wheel. Okay. Okay, mommy, let's put batteries.
Okay.
Okay, the batteries are installed for the controller. Okay, installing the 4 AA batteries.
Wait.
Okay, mommy, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, drive it, mommy.
Wait.
What?
Turn on.
Okay.
Okay. Woo! Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Drive it, mommy, in circles.
Wait.
Oh, you know what? I think there's a frequency distraction.
Oh yeah.
There's a controller here, mommy.
Whew.
I'm going to put this outside.
Okay.
Okay, mommy, sit down.
Okay. Woohoo!
Okay, mommy, hit the bowling pins. Yeah. Woohoo. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Go, mommy. There you go. One more.
Wait.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Good job. Woohoo. A Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Okay. Let's see if it can go to the carpet. Go. Come on. You can do it. There you go.
Woohoo! Maya.
It's having a hard time. Okay. Oh! It fell off. My mistake. My bad. Hey, Maya girl.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello. Now that's a real Jeep. Hey, Mommy Rhea. Okay, put the RC Jeep inside. Inside the real Jeep. And there's the RC Jeep. Inside the real Jeep. Maya girl. Okay. A 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Backcountry Edition. Oh yeah. Are you ready, Mommy?
Yes.
Okay. That's a nice Jeep.
Oh, yeah.
Behind you. Yep, behind you. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Maya girl. All right, Mommy, here we are. Let's try the Jeep. Can it go to the sand? Or can it go on the sand? We will find out. Okay, Mommy, go.
Uh-oh.
Get closer. Yeah, there you go.
Woohoo.
No. It won't run, Mommy.
One.
It's not moving.
Yeah.
Okay.
Forward.
Yeah. Get closer, Maya.
Yeah.
Follow the Jeep.
Yay.
There you go.
Wow.
Oh,
Reverse.
mini.
Forward.
There you go, Maya. Good job.
Ready.
Who's driving now?
Mommy.
Okay.
Woohoo. Woo! Woohoo!
Mommy, let's
What?
bring it to the dirt.
Okay.
Let's go off-road.